Now another thing I'd like to show you is how, if we go back to our launch page, and we will go back to our set formation board, I'm going to show you how we've used this page already, and we've used it to launch exams. So we're using this this tab here. But I'm going to show you, because this is not, the train sets are not fixed formation. Quite often we might want to pull this car here, 42151, out as a spare. In fact, maybe I'm going to swap it with that one. So if I take 42151, I'm going to put it in as a spare here. So this is out of, it's not going to have any maintenance exam, it's just taken out. So 42151 is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to pop that here. Now, we've got this error. So it's saying we've got duplicate units have been used. And when we arrive in this state, the configuration board isn't correct. So if I try to launch some exams at the moment, I'm going to probably generate a load of garbage. So in fact, if I try to do that, if I go to the exam launcher, everything's been automatically hidden off, so that it's impossible for me to actually launch those exams. But let's just straighten this thing out again. So what I'm going to do there is I'm going to put car 42 in this position here, 42384, 423. Well, there we go. So I'm going to pop that there, and then this one I'm going to set this to nothing. So I'm going to say there's no unit there. Right, okay. So it automatically works out whether or not this is a sensible formation, and when it does, it corrects itself, and if I go back to the exam launcher, I am now able to launch exams again. So it's a nice little piece of error checking, because this whole process can get very complicated, so it's good to have as many checks in place before we start launching exams on this complex non-fixed formation train sets.